Hello, my name is Chimondu, URK19CS1056, and today I'm going to be uh, explaining my assignment on arithmetic and looping statements using shell script for operating system lab. So, based on the given questions, we've been assigned to write code for the lab assignment. So, here listed here are the arithmetic operators and logical relational operators, etc., that we use for the code that we entered in our vim editor inside the Unix command. We also use some looping statements and conditional statements inside the sh files. So the first question is develop an additional table for the given input number. Here all we have to do is use the vim editor to create and open a new editable text file with the file being saved as a sh file so that it can be executed using the sh command. So inside the file, we just have to write the code of using the code to read the number and create the addition table using uh, a loop. So here we use echo to uh, output a certain statement. We use read to input a statement from the user, and then here it's basic coding of taking I is equal to 1, then taking I as a conditional statement inside the loop, etc. Uh, moving moving on to question number two, find the factorial given number. Uh, we've we've the pretty much repeated the same process over here using the vim editor and then taking uh, outputting the statements factorial calculator enter number, taking a number from the user, and then using a while loop again to calculate the factorial number. And then question number three, find the sum of n numbers. Inside this, we've used a while loop again. So let me tell you about some of the operators that we've used. For example, like GT, LE, etc. As written here, LE is used to check the value of the left operand if it's less than or equal to the right operand. GT is also used to check the value of the left operand and if it's greater than the value of the right operand. So if the condition is true, uh, or if the condition is right, then the condition becomes true. It outputs true. Same for this. If it is right, then outputs true. Otherwise, it outputs false. So this is how we're doing it. Okay, and then so this is basically how we've completed our assignment for uh, operating system lab. Going through all of these questions. Uh, this is basically a lot like C++ coding, using while loops, for loops, etc. And then uh, here we've used if statements for finding grades of three numbers and checking if the number that we've entered or the user has entered is odd or even. So this is my explanation of the code or the commands that we've written for arithmetic looping and uh, arithmetic and looping statements using shell script. Thank you for listening.